There's always value in working towards something. Our salaries, you want to earn something, you have to earn that vacation. And we all know how that is important in our lives. But for children who need things in their lives because they haven't experienced them, they have a harder time with the concept of earning. So think of it this way. If I have a child who really wants to make connections with people and we put them on a plan that kind of says they have to earn lunch with the teacher, what if they need lunch with the teacher? See, they've never experienced having lunch with the teacher, so they don't know how special that can be. And so sometimes I think we put them in a position where they have to earn what they absolutely need. So exercise caution and think about experience. What if all of a sudden that kid who's really difficult in your classroom experiences lunch with the teacher, experiences being to be a helper, with younger kids, experiences shadowing somebody else in the building to do something different. That experience alone can kind of spark an internal motivation. And that's really the direction we want to go with. So before you automatically go to a place where you've got to do 1, 2, and 3 before you get what you need, because we're viewing it as a want versus a need. Think about the power of experience versus the earn right away.